So today we're answering a question that gets asked all the time. Should I cruise in January?
The answer is, it depends. There are a lot of positives about cruising in January, but there are a few negatives.
Let's start with weather. January cruises to the Caribbean, Mexico, and the Bahamas are usually great. Hurricane season has passed.
Right? It's cooler, less humid, and way more comfortable than the summer heat. You can actually walk around the ship without melting. However, if you are looking to participate in water activities such as snorkeling, the water may be a little chilly.
If you're sailing from colder ports like New York or Baltimore, that first and last sea day might be chilly or downright cold. We sailed out of New Jersey in December, and when we returned it was 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Even if you are sailing out of quote-unquote a warm weather port, be prepared. Check forecasts and dress in layers if necessary. One of the biggest advantages of January cruising, the price.
Yes, after the holidays, cruise prices drop. You can often find better deals on cabins, drink packages, and even excursions.
It's also a great time to score balcony upgrades or sail on a newer ship for less. We were able to save thousands of dollars by switching our early January cruise to late January on Icon of the Seas.
January cruises are usually less crowded, especially after the first week. That means shorter lines, easier dining reservations, and more open chairs on the pool deck. If you like a calmer vibe, January is perfect.
Now let's be honest, January can mean rougher seas, especially in the Atlantic.
True, but the newer cruise ships handle it really well. But you may want to pack seasickness remedies just in case.
Or choose a larger ship or routes with more port days and less sea days. You may also want to consider a cruise leaving from Puerto Rico to the Southern Caribbean, where you will be almost guaranteed to have warm weather.
January cruising is great for couples, retirees, and flexible travelers.
There are fewer kids on board since school is back in session, except around New Year's week. The children on board during these months tend to be preschool ages, so there are a lot more strollers.
So if you're looking for a quieter, more relaxed cruise, January checks a lot of boxes.
There are a few downsides. Flights can be tricky with winter weather. This is one of the reasons it is recommended to fly in a day or two early. It is also recommended to have travel insurance in case of a major snowstorm.
And some onboard activities, like outdoor movies or pool time, might be limited depending on the temperature.
But honestly, we've still had an amazing time cruising in January.
So, is cruising in January a good idea?
If you want lower prices, fewer crowds, and comfortable weather, then absolutely yes.
Just pack smart, plan ahead, and keep an open mind.
At the end of the day, any cruise is what you make it.
Exactly. If you're having fun, relaxing, and exploring new places, you're doing it right.
If this helped you decide whether a January cruise is right for you,
please like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, let us know what other cruise questions you have.
And thanks for watching Got the Magnet. We'll see you on the next adventure.